Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are here again back with the most demanded collection of embossed fancy soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight, soft in nature and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. And about the design, beautiful and unique embossed designs are running throughout the body along with symmetric borders and a rich pallu with a running blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For placing orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Kindly note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. And also, if you guys wanted our quicker updates, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for pure Kanchipuram Silk Mass certified sarees, pure cotton sarees and fancy silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like our video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.